Just coming round to the sink area, you've got a fantastic astragal window here with lots of light coming in, and that lights the whole of the kitchen here for us. So we don't generally need to have the kitchen lights on. Rather than having a sink unit that's made, and you can see the angle of the windows there, it's going to be really awkward for us to be able to get something that we could have bought. So we basically had this made by a local carpenter. We got these old windows, and these are old windows here, window frames along here, the 3 separate pieces, 1, 2, and 3. We basically created this under sink cupboard along with reclaimed science lab tops, which are these and these structures here, to create this under sink unit here for storage. It's not huge, but it basically allows us to be able to have plants on it and to be able to do the washing up and prepare stuff and to put items on it at the same time. And then just coming round to here, we've got 2 of these quite large, what would have been armoires that would have been in bedrooms. What we've done, we've brought them in and we've just wheeled them in, and we're using them as larders for things such as flour and pasta, any dry goods we basically put in here for the kitchen. But we've not left it at that. We've decorated at the same time with old Victorian chemical bottles, and we've got an industrial flip clock from the 1990s. Loads of children's artwork up here. You can see the whole of that wall there. It's got this lovely tropical fruit wallpaper, and then against that we've kind of added another armoire along here with smaller boxes to create additional storage for smaller items that we might need in the kitchen. And again, this cupboard here we use for our crockery and glasses and plates and so on, and the same down here as well, crockery, plates and so on. So it's a real mix in terms of what we've got here. It's a real mix of styles, textures, the age of the items, anything from the 1990s all the way to the 1880s, even where things are from. They're from France, they're from India, they're from the UK, they're from Scotland, they're from all over the world really. So this is our kind of eclectically styled, vintage influenced kitchen here, which is at the heart of the house.